You make me feel so good.
Today we're going to talk about the benefits of body scrubs and hand treatments. Especially right now, this is a good time to stay on top of our skincare. So many people I know are complaining that their hands are getting cracked and dry. Body care is easy. We want to scrub, hydrate, and moisturize to protect. I'll go through the benefits of each step in just a moment. For basic skincare and extra tools and accessories, please look at previous videos. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. It sits on the outer skin tissue like tiles on a roof. We want to gently exfoliate that off. We don't want to over-exfoliate. That will create irritation like a callus or a blister. There's a couple ways to exfoliate, like using a skin tool, such as a sponge or a brush, or even a towel. Another method involves using a liquid or gel type substance that has alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy, or enzymes, which are used to loosen the glue-like substance that holds those dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. Without exfoliation, you won't be able to hydrate and penetrate any type of products that you put on your skin tissue. Think of your skin like a sponge. Any type of hydration is like pouring water on the surface of that sponge so that it fills up with moisture. And then you want to use a moisturizer with a bit of a heavier texture to it to protect and seal the skin tissue. Your skin is constantly replacing itself. Because of this, you can be left with layers on top of layers of dead skin tissue. Exfoliating helps rid your body of these leftover dead skin cells, revealing a healthier and brighter skin immediately afterwards. You can actually improve the health of your skin tissue. If your skin is riddled with dead skin cells, your skin products may not be able to penetrate deep into the skin and do their work. By removing the topmost layer of skin, you're making it easier for your topical skin treatment to sink deep below the surface, where they will make the most difference. If you have acne-prone skin, it can help clear out clogged pores that often lead to breakout. It can also help to fade acne scars by accelerating skin cell turnover. Studies have found that people who exfoliate, hydrate, and moisturize the skin on a regular basis actually end up having less skin disease and skin cancer. When using a physical exfoliant, start by using your regular cleanser. Then take about a quarter-sized amount of product. I prefer to use hand gloves. These are my favorite. I like these because you can throw them into your wash once a week. And then you won't be harboring bacteria and mold that can create problems for your skin tissue. Apply it onto your skin using circular motions, moving up and towards the heart for a full 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then rinse off with water and gently pat your skin with a clean towel. Follow with your hydrator, serum, and then a moisturizer over the top. My favorite hydrator for the skin tissue is aloe vera. When using any type of a chemical exfoliant, such as a cleanser or a moisturizer with an AHA or a BHA, which is an alpha hydroxy acid or a beta hydroxy acid. You can find those coming from natural sources. Lactic acid, for instance, comes from milk, and alpha hydroxy can come from fruit. Allow for a few minutes for the chemical exfoliation to be fully absorbed before moving on to the next step of your skincare protocol. Some types of chemical exfoliants, often called peels, are used similar to a mask you would use on your face and are required to be rinsed off after just a few minutes. Always check your product label to make sure that you're using it properly. Also remember to check for all organic and natural ingredients. Remember that exfoliating should only be done once to twice a week, as exfoliating too often and too hard can cause micro tears on your skin surface and strip your skin's protective layer. If you have inflammatory acne, rosacea, or hypersensitive skin, ask your esthetician or dermatologist to determine what exfoliant is best for you. Just like the skin cells on your face, the cells on your body regularly shed dead skin tissue. You want to help review the healthier skin underneath. That turnover process slows down as we age. You want to increase your circulation, help drain the lymph nodes, and remember to always work, even in a hand over hand kind of a method, towards your heart, and then in a circular motion. You can alternate hand over hand and circular. Never would I ever use a scrub if I was having some type of a skin condition. Use a natural fiber brush, such as a loofah, or over scrub for more than 30 seconds to 1 minute on each area. Hydration is often something that people think only people with dry or dehydrated skin tissue need to use, but that's just not true. Everybody needs hydration. Scientifically, a moisturizer is an umbrella term for moisturizer types, such as emollients and fats or oils, humectants. Moisturizers typically are an oil-based product, and emollients like esters and plant oils, such as jojoba and nut. My preference, of course, is always natural. They work by creating a seal on the surface of the skin tissue, which prevents water from escaping. They also make the skin feel smoother and softer. Hydrators are ingredients such as aloe vera or hyaluronic acid that absorb water from the atmosphere into your skin tissue and hold it in place. Aim to drink a lot of water. A good goal is at least half your body weight in ounces of water every day. So if you weigh 150 pounds, shoot for 75 ounces of water a day. Add water-rich foods to your diet, such as watermelons, strawberries, and cucumbers. This can give your skin and body the hydration it needs to look and feel its best. If you have oily skin, you might want to try water-based hydrators and moisturizers. Just because you have oily skin, it doesn't mean you don't need a moisturizer or that your skin isn't dehydrated. And if your skin is dehydrated, it can actually exacerbate your oil issues. People with oily skin have often compromised the barrier function, which makes it hard for their skin to retain moisture. As moisture leaves the skin, it becomes dehydrated, causing the skin to produce more oil. It's a vicious cycle, and the only way to break it is to give your skin the proper hydration and moisture it needs. Look for water-based, non-comedogenic hydrators and moisturizers. Water-based products will feel lighter on the skin and won't clog your pores. Again, my number one favorite is hyaluronic acid, which works as a humectant, not as a chemical peel. So the 3 steps for skincare: exfoliate, hydrate, moisturize. My favorite exfoliator for the body is to mix clay and coconut oil with espresso beans and honey. My preference is used espresso grounds. Remember to use a small amount. The recipe will follow. Apply with the body gloves, and then aloe vera all over your skin tissue, and then moisturize. One of my favorite is the Mama's Medicine that you can get on Amazon. It's all natural ingredients. Or one of my favorite companies is on my website. I like the Rose Petal body lotion. It's deeply hydrating for all skin types using organic ingredients, rose oil and shea butter. leaves the skin feeling firm, nourished, and smelling like a garden of roses. My other favorite is the Stonecrop body lotion. Stonecrop is considered one of the oldest medicines in folk medicine. It's hydrating, similar to aloe vera. This is a unique blend of organic ingredients that can help with hyperpigmentation, sun damage, and age spots. You can use this blend of organic ingredients to help with hyperpigmentation, sun damage, age spots, uneven skin tone, or after sunbathing. Please continue for recipes and product information. You can also refer to my website for more information. Please hit the like and subscribe button for continued tutorials.